boy. Hey, cowboy. Cowboy. Quit looking at the girls' clothes. Hey, cowboy. Big boy. Hey, what you doing, cowboy? What you about to do there, cowboy? Huh? What you about to do there, cowboy? Huh? What you about to do, cowboy? What you about to do, big boy? You about to go round up a herd? You get a hold of that thing? Boy, you look like you ain't got no teeth in. What's wrong with you, big boy? What's wrong with you, cowboy? That hat's falling down over his eyes and he's trying to look up under the hat. So, hey, I'll lasso your ass up there, boy. What are you doing with your feet there, buddy? Huh? You trying to get them in the stirrups? Huh? See, rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep them doggies rolling. Get them up, move them out. Big boy. That's what them cows sound like, don't they? Oh, sling it off, big boy. Just screw that hat.